Hi there, thanks for joining me in the kitchen again. Today I'm going to be making a pasta salad, and I'm going to show you one of my recipes for that. This is going to be a mayo-based pasta salad. So I'm going to use a homemade mayonnaise that I made. I'm going to have a video on that too, so check that out. And I also made a homemade ranch dressing when I made the mayonnaise, and I got a recipe up for that too. I'm going to use both of those. Got some bow tie pasta that I made a few hours ago and chilled in the fridge. You do want it to be cold. I've got a little bit of agave syrup I'm going to use for a sweetener. Some sugar works too, or whatever, honey or whatever you got. A little bit of vinegar. Got wine vinegar, works pretty well. I've got some herbs I'm going to use, a little bit of sage, a little bit of dill, and a little bit of sumac. Then I'm going to throw some vegetables in. I've got some diced up carrots, some peas, some chickpeas, and some diced up pickled cucumbers. Then I've got some capers and some olives that I diced up green onion, and then here I've got some juice that I took out of the jar from the pickles. You basically just mix everything together. First I'm going to kind of mix the vegetables in. So throw in the pickles, throw in the carrots, the peas, and the chickpeas, and the green onions, capers, and olives. I'm going to mix all those up to get everything kind of combined. And then I'm going to add that pickling liquid along with another couple, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Kind of sweetener to taste. Use about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon or so of dill. If you have fresh dill, that's really good, but I've just got some dried dill. Sage. If you dice up some fresh sage, that's really good too again, but I've just got dried. Alright, so I'm going to mix all that up. Kind of let the thing soak in the vinegar for a second. Then I'm going to take about a cup of the mayonnaise that I made. If you can use store-bought mayonnaise, Vegenaise, or just regular mayonnaise. This is vegan mayo that I made though, and there's really nothing like homemade mayo if you've never made it or tried it. You really should. It's super easy, and with the vegan type you don't even need eggs or anything. It's just oil and mustard basically, and a little bit of aquafab, which is the water left over from a can of beans. So check out my recipe on that. Then I'm going to add about a quarter cup of the ranch dressing that I made. I'm going to mix that all in. You want it to kind of combine with the vinegar. And then just add in the pasta. And kind of break that up and mix it in with everything else. Alright, and then once it's combined, that's pretty much it. I like to taste it and see if it might need any more salt or sweetener, but this doesn't really need any more. But the pasta was already salted and the mayonnaise was already salted, so didn't really need much there. And I put a tablespoon of the sweetener in when I mixed it, so that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to cover it and put it back in the fridge to chill, and then you will have this with dinner.